Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can create a VIVO account. So firstly you will need to enter settings, then find and open the passwords or actually accounts and sync category, tap at the VIVO account over there, register, then you gotta start fill in all these fields, like country for example. Or rather starting with the country. Then input your email address. Hit the next button. Oh, actually I forgot to type the @ sign, so I'm going to quickly fix that. After that, you should receive the verification code on the email address that you have earlier. Input, in my case, that's 176 777 176 777. Then input the password that you would like to use for your VIVO account. Onwards, tap at the registration completed button, and that will be it. Your VIVO account was successfully created. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.